Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick, easy, protective style. And so yeah, let's just jump right into it. So as you can see, I already have the top portion of my hair parted off into a square. Now I'm just going to part that square into two separate sides. So I'm just going to basically do a middle part. So next I'm just going to part one of the two sections into two more smaller squares, and then I'm just going to make sure I have the part as neat as possible, and then I'm just going to start working on the front part. So you will notice that I will be oiling my scalp a lot. That's because my scalp is just dry, girl, and I don't have time. So the gel that I'm using is the Shine and Jam Edge Control. It's the green one. I will list the link to it below so y'all can just click on it. But this is what's been working for me with my little 4C hair. So as you can see, what I did was just put the jam all around the first section and then brush it up with my edge control brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a rubber band like so. Once I have it in a rubber band, y'all, I'm just going to do like a 2-strand twist. So for the rest of the sections, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. And as you can see, this Shine and Jam, like, it has my hair looking really good. So I like it, and I'll use it again. But this back section, I'm not going to twist it up yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side exactly like I did the first side. Alright, so now that I have all 4 squares, what I'm going to do is take the first twist, and I'm just going to twist it and add it to the back section going across. I hope that makes sense, but y'all kind of see, what I'm doing. So anyways, and I'm gonna do that to both sides, and then once I have both of the sides crisscross the remaining hair in the rubber band, I'm just going to twist it in a two-strand twist as well, and then you'll see I'm just gonna cross them over. Alright, so the rest of my hair is going to go up into a high puff. So as you can see, I just showed y'all the shine and jam, but I'm just going to place the shine and jam all around my hair, because like I said, it's going to be like a high puff. And I also think I used some of the Murray beeswax. I always normally use the shine and jam and the beeswax together whenever I'm doing like a high puff. So yeah, and as you can see, I'm just like brushing everything upward. Alright, so now I'm just using my little band that I use for my hot puff, and I'm just forming my hot puff. Like, really simple, really easy, really cute. So you're going to see in a minute that I'm going to be using Got to Be spray, which is the Got to Be glue spray. And I'm just going to spray the perimeter of my hair just to help it lay down a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and add these little designs, which turned out really cute. Like, to me, it was like the icing on top of the cake with these designs. Like, it made the whole style come together and look so much better. so now I'm just adding my scarf so that everything could lay down nice and everything. And I did leave my scarf on overnight. Now what I'm doing now is just showing you guys how I put coils in my puff. I'm just using the Bella curl defining cream. I got this from the dollar store, and I just add a little water to my hands so that my hair will be a little damp, and then I add the product to my hand as well. And then as you can see, I'm just pulling pieces and twisting it with my finger, making it like coily. All right, y'all. So are y'all ready to see the results? This is how it all turned out. I'm loving my makeup. So I'm just using like my little pick just to puff out my puff a little bit more. But that's basically it. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, I will be posting that video very, very soon. But honey, I love this style. So I hope you guys like this video. It's an easy style to do on any type of natural hair or 4C hair. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Slade by Tamia. And I'll see y'all in the next video.